equality. Thank you.
So trying to promote equality. So if we had to go by the same logic, I think males should also vote for them.
But that's not what is stipulated in the Constitution. Thank you.
Now, let's talk about appointments. Who appoints the women members of the Women's Commission?
The Women's Commissioner appoint them, but they should be vetted by the administration.
They should be vetted.
Yes, please.
How many people are you to appoint?
And under the Constitution, I have the mandate to appoint 4 people, but in the same Constitution, I can appoint more.
In the same Constitution?
Yes, please.
Can you quote for us?
Please, that is Article 22, subsection 5.
What does it say?
It says that other committee members can be appointed by the Women's Commissioner.
That's what it said.
That's not what I said.
Are you sure?
The main, I'm not quoting the exact words.
But yeah, sure, that's what it means.
Yes, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
Now, how will you collaborate with the SRC as said in the Constitution? How are you going to do that?
Thank you for the question. So, as stated in Article 22, subsection 2, one of the functions of the Women's Commissioner is to represent the collective interests of females. Yes, please. So, I'm going to represent them.
How? It's about representation.
Yes, please.
How are you going to represent them? What is your plan?
Okay, thank you for the question. So, as I said earlier, I'm going to organize faculty seminars that will be held every month to address the issues and then be channeled to SRC Women's Commissioner.
That's all.
When it comes to
breast
SRC.
cancer awareness.
Yes, please.
Are you going to organize your own breast cancer awareness?
No, please. I will collaborate with SRC. But currently, because how university vacation duration has become, most of the times we are in the house, so mostly we collaborate with the SRC though, but flyers and everything will be only under the Women's Commission.
How is that collaboration?
So collaboration, we have sorted out to them and we have given us the mandate to go ahead. Thank you. Hello. Yes. Thank you for the question. Please, gender equality talks about giving the same opportunities to various genders, irrespective he or she is a male or female. But when it comes to gender equity, it talks about treating everyone differently. That's addressing the various genders' needs and then giving them the opportunities according to their needs. Yes, please. Okay, thank you. So gender equity talks about treating the various gender differently. That's addressing their needs according to the various gender and then giving opportunities to them to ensure fairness. Thank you. Ensure fairness. Thank you. And then,
what are some key laws some companies advocating for women's rights and seeking to represent the multitude of women in the package? What are some key laws that protect women?
Thank you for the question. One key law that was established last year was Affirmative Action Article 2024 by the legislature. Thank you. Yes. Yes, please. Sure.
So there's how social media tools continues to raise the commission. How are you going going to handle that?
Please come again.
There's a final social media post about how you are using funds that has been allocated to your commission to cater for the needs of women in the association. How are you going to do that? How are you going to go about the post in the next 24 hours?
Thank you for the question. But please, can you rephrase me?
Or how you are appropriating funds given to your commission to use for the women in the association. How are you going to go about the whole issue so that the image of your commission and then Scisa as a whole is not tarnished?
Okay, thank you for the question. So I'll have to verify the source and then tell the person to delete the post.
Means verify the source and not the person in the post.
Yes.
How about assuring the people about that exemption to the issue or not? Whether you lost credibility or not, or just find the person and then instruct the person to delete the post.
Yes, and then I'll further make another post to assure my people
So you
that that was not true.
reply to the post that was made to tarnish your image.
Pardon?
You create a post in reply to a post that was made to tarnish your image.
Not really.
That's what you said.
No, I said I'll make a post under the commission's account. Yes, trying to, let people mind from that trending news that has been trending.
So in such a situation, can you tell me what you're going to say on the social media account?
Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, greetings from WISE, that's Women in Science, KUST. We seek to assure everyone that there has been some trending news and then no one should feel hesitate to come to the Women's Commissioner to share her views on it. But as it stands now, there's no truth to that news. Thank you.
Okay, so tell me what you know about sexual harassment and how you are going to go about solving the problem facing sexual harassment here in the society.
Thank you for the question. So sexual harassment deals with the inappropriate acts that a lady or a man may experience, such as inappropriate hugging, kissing, touching some body parts and others. So how I'm going to ensure that females of College of Science, please can you come again with the second question, please.
How are you going to go about managing this whole issue of sexual harassment in the part of the female here in College of Science?
Thank you. So please, there is one policy I want to bring on board when I'm being elected as Scisa Women's Commissioner, and that policy is called She Motivates Concept.
So as of now, there's no policy with which you can stand on as a basis to solve that issue. The event that happens in the first week of office, you would wait till you bring the policy before you solve that issue.
Okay, that policy is not really something new, but it's just organizing seminars. So seminar doesn't really go into.
So there's a harassment case, and your approach is to organize a seminar.
No, please.
Please elaborate.
Okay, so what I get, how I understood your question was, maybe what are some of the measures we are going to put in place when the issue is not yet in, right? Yes, or when there is
a sexual harassment case.
Oh, okay. So thank you for the question once again. So first, I'll talk to the lady involved and then further address the issue to my patroness. Thank you.
So how are you going to ensure that as Women's Commission of Scisa, what part are you going to play to make sure that the SRC Women's Commission's policies are not detrimental to women?
Thank you for the question. So there will be a collaboration with the SRC Women's Commissioner on the various programs that they are yet to plan or they are about to initiate, and then we take it from there.
So if you notice that female participation in most of the programs that we have are quite low, what are you going to do?
Thank you. So we are going to increase publicity through the various departments who comes and class-to-class publicity as well.
that hasn't worked so far. There's been a lot of publicity and we don't see human participation increase. So what realistic steps are you going to take on the ground to ensure that it increases?
Thank you. We are still going to work through the departmental comms for their maximum support in telling the various people in their department for their maximum participation in our programs.
So you have a program for females and then a key sponsor withdraws last minute. What's your approach going to be in handling that?
Thank you. Thank you. So our commission is going to seek it to, we are going to make sure that there won't be any sponsorship withdrawal last minute that is going to affect us in a way that we are going to seek a lot of sponsorships.
This is a key sponsor, last minute withdrawal. What are you going to do? Is the program going to be cancelled?
No, it will come off.
What are you going to do?
So the program will come off as usual.
Without a sponsor?
Without that keynote sponsor.
And what happens?
And then after the program is being done, then we go and then have a talk with them and then resolve the issue. Thank you.
What are three problems that you have identified
Three problems I have identified about the females in College of Science. One is washroom hygiene. For the washroom hygiene, I'm going to speak to the various cleaners and appeal to them to clean the washroom at least 3 times a day.
That's the quality of yours.
Pardon. That's an initiative.
Look up to you, that's going to happen.
Yes, please.
The second problem.
Second problem pertaining the washroom is also lack of the basic necessity that will make a lady feel. Okay. So apart from that, we have also the sanitary pad bank, of which we are going to pay some washroom. Thank you. No, please. And then we have academic challenges. So. Okay, so in respect to the academic challenge, this is what we are going to do. For instance, a friend of mine went to one of a male colleague to search for knowledge about something, but because of I don't know, because of something, the man wanted to take advantage of the lady. So we are going to provide academic, yes, we are going to provide academic assistance to the females in the college.
Female academic tutors or females, now you're saying?
Both males and females.
What's the guarantee that those males will not want to harass the females?
There will be, because it will be on professional basis.
There will be?
Yes.
There will be a guarantee or there's no guarantee?
There is a guarantee.
That they will harass?
Yeah. No. That's why I said there will be a guarantee to assure them that they won't be harassed. The way that is going to be based on professional.
If we plan to project you out there and this person as incapable of handling this position, what do you think the reason would be?
Nothing.
Find yourself perfect.
Not perfect, but nothing. Yes, please. Thank you too.
Ms. Eva.
Yes, please.
So, assuming I get into office and the president of Scisa tells you that there is not enough funds and some of your programs which you really have your heart in have to be cancelled or are not going to be organized, and you feel that this program must come on for the benefits of the ladies of Scisa, how do you plan to go about that situation?
Thank you for the question once again. So I will seek for sponsorship from companies and organizations.
How are you going to do that?
I will write to their office and personally visit some of these companies to sort out for their sponsorship. Thank you.
In case they decide to sponsor your programs, then what?
I'm sure some will be willing to sponsor us.
your confidence in companies in their money is very admirable. But there is always a chance that companies will say, what are you going to do with that? What are you going to do if you can see more? Or do you have some kind of backing for its confidence? Is there a track record of companies that have consistently supported the women's commission? If so, name some of them.
Okay, thank you. So, companies like Lash Hair mostly supports most of our programs. And then I also have some alliance to some companies that wish to sponsor the Women's Commissioner's event.
Can you please name the ones that you have alliances with?
Okay, so Bell Beverages and Procos Food, that's those who manufacture Kivo Gari. And then EcoBank Ghana, since currently I'm one of their brand ambassadors on campus. Thank you.
So if you have so many alliances with so many companies, and you really require funds from the college to organize your programs.
Yes, it's also important because the funds the companies will give us won't be enough. So, have a
Thank
look.
you very much.
Thank you. Yes, please.
I heard you mention affirmative action.
Yes, please. Thank you for the question. Affirmative action refers to policies that are being set to support the less advantaged groups in the society. Thank you.
And then, how is affirmative action related to gender equality or gender?
So, how affirmative action is related to gender equality is that everyone, women are empowered, that they are given equal opportunities as the males. And when it comes to the equity, women are being given the necessary resources in order to thrive in the society. Thank you.
Are you good with current affairs?
Yes, please.
A Ghanaian woman was recently elevated to a position in the Commonwealth of Nations. Do you know her?
Yes, please.
Who is she and what's her position?
She is in the person of Mrs. Shelley Ayoko Bochwe. I stand to be corrected.
What's her position?
Currently, please in the Commonwealth or Secretary General.
Where is the International Women's Day celebrated?
Please, 8th of March every year.
I really like how you answered the question so far,
Thank you.
and then how you are into this position. Moving from the team now to move on. What inspired you to run for this position?
Thank you for the question. I am passionate about advocating for gender equality and ensuring that female voices are heard within the society. Thank you.
Alright. Next question is, how do you plan to engage the female student body to understand their needs and concerns? How do you plan to engage them to understand their needs and concerns?
Thank you for the question once again. I plan to organize faculty seminars of which females will be given the opportunity to channel their grievances to the Women's Commissioner and also work through the department's workers to ensure that they organize monthly seminars for the ladies for them to address their needs to her and then channel to the Women's Commissioner. Thank you.
Who's the Minister for Gender, Children and Social Protection?
She's in the person of Honorable Dr. Agnes Momolate.
According to you know what the SDG means?
Yes, please.
What is the SDG?
Sustainable Development Goals.
Do you have any SDG related to gender?
Yes, please.
Which of the SDGs?
Please, SDG 5.
What does it say?
It says that to achieve gender equality and empower women and girls. Thank you.
So, I remember that during the science piece and academic question,
Yes, please.
what do you plan to address the challenge in your office to ensure the academic personal?
Thank you. So we are going to organize tutorials for them. So we are going to provide academic assistance to the females in the college by collaborating with the various tutors and then TAs for the various departments. Thank you. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Unfortunately, we do not have a police document. Do you by any chance have a police document?
No, please.
Alright. Do you know what a SMART analysis is? Do you know what a SMART analysis is?
No, please.
You don't know what a SMART analysis is? State two policies of yours.
Thank you. One is health technology, of which females in the college will be equipped with knowledge and skills in digital literacy. And another one is she motivates concept, a seminar which will be addressing various issues pertaining to ladies, such as relationships.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Thank you too.
We are done for the day. I'm going to start saying that's it to the audience and then give them in 1 minute, give them a reason to vote for you.
Hello everyone. My name is Ekia Sewabonsu, an aspirant for the office of Scisa Women's Commissioner. I believe in advocating for women empowerment, and also I believe in the mantra, empowered women, empowering change. Therefore, I'm pleading with you all, kindly vote Ekia Sewabonsu as your next Scisa Women's Commissioner. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Over to the room.
Good morning. you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Good morning, Miss. Why are you here?
Thank you very much. The Scisa Constitution, as amended 2020, demand all aspirants to appear before a panel of vetting committee to be screened, and I'm here to be vetted for Scisa Women's Commission.
Are here to be vetted
For Scisa Women's Commission.
for Women's Settlement Commission.
Yes.
Alright. Did you write the resignation letter yourself?
Yes, please.
When did you resign?
For
You resigned on 4th June. When did you submit the letter?
the 4th June.
You submitted the letter on 4th June and resigned on 4th June. And it's finally date on your resignation letter. In fact, the letter seems AI generated.
It's not the
It's not AI generated. Tell me why you have date of last day of service in square brackets. That is something AI does. They're lying to us. They're not lying. Online.
The computer science
Date of last day of services in square brackets. Is that how you type? Let's go.
the date of last day of service is supposed to, so you're supposed to clear the date of last day of service and insert the date of the last day of service in there. So when you generate something on AI and you are editing it, so something like this, next time make sure you remove and then you put the actual date there. So if the last day was in June 4th, so you weren't supposed to write the date of the last day of service, so you're supposed to put 4th June 2025 in there. You get it?
Alright. Now, how does the Constitution tell you I choose to resign? According to the Constitution, how do you resign?
Thank you very much for the question. So, I write a resignation letter to the judicial chairperson. Judicial chairperson for him to sign.
According to which Constitution?
Please, I don't know.
You don't know. So, you don't know the Constitution you just quoted. Am I right? So, how are you quoting it? Alright. On to the next. According to the Constitution, what are the rules of the Women's Commission?
Thank you very much for the question. So the Women's Commissioner is to represent the interests of women in science at the administration level and then at SRC. And also organize programs that will benefit women in science, and then submit the concerns and the challenges to the Senate and the Administration Council.
Organize program that will benefit women in science.
Yes, please.
So I'm going to organize programs for medical imaging students.
Okay.
I don't know women in science.
Women, particularly in colleges.
Now, when you become a woman, how many people are you going to appoint?
6.
Six. Six.
Yes, please.
Why six?
90.
First deputy will come, second deputy will come, PRO, organizing secretary,
20.
organizing secretary, and general secretary.
Do you get the first nine? Why six?
They all have specific roles that will help me in my commission or my administration.
Do you believe in the Constitution?
Yes, please.
Do you respect the Constitution?
Yes, please.
What does the Constitution say about appointments?
So the Women's Commissioner is to appoint a deputy, a PRO, an organizing secretary, and then the general secretary. So our appoint 5 is a mistake. Our appoint 5. So the deputies will be 2. First deputy and then second deputy.
Why do we need two deputies?
In case one is not around.
But the reason why we appoint a deputy is because in case you are not around.
Yes.
So why do you need two deputies?
Yes. In case I'm not around and then the first deputy is also not around.
Okay, so in case you are not around, the first deputy is not around, and the second deputy is not around, are you going to appoint a second deputy?
No, the general secretary is around.
So why doesn't the general secretary take over when the deputy comes around?
But I thought the wise to.
You that's a wise. So
Yes.
the constitution didn't make it wise. Sure. Alright. Now I'm going to use how do you handle grievances of women in the college? Handle grievances of women in Scisa.
Okay, so for me to even handle the grievances, I have to first of all know the grievances. So the communication is very pivotal in this case. So I work in collaboration with other departmental reps for the UPOM to go down to
Pause. In collaboration with, we've been hearing those words. Please be clear on that. What are you going to do? Because you can talk to them and they won't change you. So please be explaining your points, alright?
Okay, so how I'm going to go about the grievances is create a platform where they can address or they can tell us these problems freely or confidentially. Yes, because I know that when you have
Yeah. So how do you handle it?
yes, so after getting all their grievances or their concerns, I'll submit it to the Senate or the Administration Council as it is written in the Constitution.
The Constitution says send grievances of women to the
Yes,
Senate.
the grievances, the challenges of the women is assigned to the Administration Council or the Senate.
That's what the Constitution says. Can you quote it for us?
I can't, but it is under the Women's Commission.
Which Constitution?
The Scisa Constitutional Assembly 2020.
Alright. I'm going to give you a scenario and you're going to tell me what you're going to do. A woman from a different college. Wait, before the scenario, why are you running for women?
Alright, thank you. I'm very passionate about women empowerment and the upliftment of women. And I was inspired to run for this Women's Commissioner to create a platform for women in science to voice out their challenges and then deliver swift and lasting solutions to help or solve that problem.
Now on to the scenario. A woman from a different college is abused by the boyfriend. And by the boyfriend is in the College of Science. And she comes to tell you, the sister will come. What are you going to do about it?
Alright, thank you very much for the question. So first of all, I'll say this